Hi guys, welcome to Adventure Analysts. Today I'm on camp and I'm getting quite hungry, so I'm going to talk to you about the science of making a cheese toastie when on camp. Okay, so in order for me to cook my cheese toastie, I'm going to need to build a fire. For fire, we need three things: oxygen, heat and fuel. These together are known as the fire triangle, and if you were to remove any one of these elements, you wouldn't have a fire. For my fire today, I'm going to be using wood as my fuel because I'm in the woods, it's easy for me to collect it. And my heat source will be matches. Obviously oxygen is in the air around us. So let's build a fire. Okay, so I have my mini barbecue here and I've already gone ahead and put a little bit of hay in there as kindling. It's also really important that when you start with a fire, you start with small pieces of kindling and small twigs, because the energy from the flame that's produced by a match is not a very huge amount. So you need to start burning more and more wood to generate more heat energy. That will then in turn generate more energy that will break the bonds in the larger pieces of wood and lead to a larger fire overall. So when we burn things, we are usually burning things called hydrocarbons. So things like wood, coal, oil, and these are called hydrocarbons because they contain the elements hydrogen and carbon. So taking wood as an example, wood contains a substance called cellulose. Cellulose is a polymer made up from glucose molecules. Now what that means is that if you imagine that these paper clips are glucose molecules, okay, so these paper clips here are glucose molecules, and we attach them in a long chain like this, this is now a polymer. Now whenever anything burns, there is a chemical reaction taking place. So the substance that is being burnt is reacting with oxygen. Now in this case, we have hydrocarbons that are being burnt. Every time you burn a hydrocarbon, regardless of what type it is, there is a general rule. So hydrocarbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water. Now in this case, we were talking about the cellulose, so we'll break that down to glucose plus oxygen still gives carbon dioxide plus water. Now I'm ready to go ahead and make my toastie. I'm going to put cheese in between bread and then I'm going to wrap that in tin foil. So let's see how it's going. Ah, perfect. So you can see the cheese is nicely melted, the bread's toasted, and that is the science of making a cheese toastie on camp. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you, bye.